What is that? Do you guys think the little truck was gonna do it?
It usually opens for you.
What's up, buddy?
Guys,
That is me.
I got a question, buddy. How much you charge on that? I got a snatch rope. I just gotta get cut loose. Now I'm gonna get off the beach.
Yeah, I gotta use my own equipment, but let me come take a look. I'll work something out for you. All right, guys. Well, we literally just got smoothies and we're gonna take a lap. No plans of a recovery, and looks like we rolled up on a GMC 2500. Apparently, they said a Jeep tried to pull it on it already. On it already. All right, I'm in the hole a little bit, but I will.
Oh yeah, she's
Down there.
Yeah.
You got front hooks though?
Yeah, he did.
Are they open though?
Yeah.
Right here? Yeah. Yeah. Probably. So I'd be, like you said, pull you up over here and you should be able to whip on and get out of here. And you can use that same beach ticket and go down like 10, 15 minutes.
I didn't. I figured. I'm gonna be honest with you. I thought it was like once I cut here,
it got better.
But I'm looking. I'm like, there ain't
yeah,
no way.
most beaches the ramp is the worst part, but this one it
I was
stays
trying
bad.
to get to the hard spot.
Yeah, yeah, and you can't stay down low because then there's people.
Exactly. I'm gonna be honest with you. Once I got here, I was gonna turn around and go back.
Yeah, you'll have way better luck down south.
I got you. I appreciate it.
20 or 30. 30. It's a big girl. I want a little extra. Go back to the next. Once we get it hooked up, I'll just have you in there. Are you in 4 high or low?
High right now.
Okay. Was it still spinning higher though?
Yeah.
Okay. That's all that really matters. Some of the big ones.
Well, low it stops. I got on low and I tried to even put it on low and all that. Did nothing.
Okay. As long as you're spinning tire, that's what'll matter. Once we get it hooked up, just want to give me a little bit of gas right when I'm about to hit. We'll see if we can get it moving. If not, I can winch it. But I think 1 or 2 tries with the Kinetic will be all right. Might take it out a tiny bit, to be honest.
Definitely. Why not make it easier?
Yeah.
Just a little digging. Oh wow.
Yeah, look at those rails.
I didn't even see those before.
That is in the sand.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I didn't even see the side steps.
Yeah.
This thing definitely sunk down there.
All right, here we go.
You want tires straight on it? Just fall behind you?
Just
Yeah,
tire
go
straight with me. Honestly, the angle you're at right now is good.
All right, perfect.
Yup.
Y'all made my shoulder go wimpy.
That's what we're talking about.
Well, my stuff looked that wimpy on camera.
Hey, on pavement, it'd be the other way around.
Appreciate it, buddy.
Hey, y'all have a good one.
All right, have a great day.
Have a good one.
Appreciate you. Thank you, guys. I want to stick around, make sure I look.
Yeah, I think Loki sits a little lower than I thought once I got it out.
Yeah, probably as much as maybe there's a level on it.
Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. Little truck, big recovery. Kinetic and a little bit of momentum goes a long way. So, see you in the next one. All right, guys, we got a call for a Coachman down here on the south end, way down here on the south end, which is an interesting call. If you guys don't know, a Coachman's like an RV, basically. So, we're going to see what it takes to get this thing out of here.
Oh wow. Oh yeah, I got stuck.
Oh my God. Oh, now I need 4-wheel drive. All right.
you doing?
Good, about yourself?
You want me to put it in neutral when we're ready to go?
I want you in drive, just helping me a tiny bit.
Gotcha.
Just so it's not dead weight, you know what I mean?
I will help you a tiny
What's
bit.
your name?
John.
John? I'm John as well.
What's this going to cost?
Well, let me take a look at what it might take.
I'm from New York and we're full.
I hear you, no worries. Try and take it easy on you. This thing's cool though. Oh. It's not quite sitting on it. Look at that exhaust tip. This thing's cute though. Alright.
You got a good axle.
Yeah, solid axle. It's more about how I hook up to that thing. It's an interesting Ford axle. Icky. Plastic guard like blocks that whole side. And you have something in the hitch receiver, don't you? Or no? I can. Well, it's just more of a pain in the butt too. I mean, I could pull you either way. The only thing is the front is not very hookup friendly. It's not a lot to simply or directly hook up to. I'm thinking I could run a tree strap or a tree saver or something thick around right there, and just pull from that.
I-beam.
Yeah. Alrighty.
All right.
All right. Sounds good. Let me work on getting hooked up. All right. We're gonna do this with this. Yeah, but it's the white sand, so. It sure will be.
Oh yeah. So what do I look under? What do I look for?
You just look us up, Santo LLC.
Yep.
All right. This is a mess. Alright, so yeah, like I said, once I'm all hooked up, I'll have you in there.
I'm going to put it in low and give it a little gas.
Yep, I just want you to churn it just a little bit. And we'll basically, if we get moving, we'll try and just get you off out of the ruts to the left and on where it's hard, and you'll be alright to go. Perfect. And then I'll just, I mean, honestly, are you going back to this ramp or going that way?
Oh, is there another one?
There is, but I think it's a ways down, so it might be easiest to just U-turn on the hard sand. I can follow you back that way. Alrighty, here we go.
Awesome! That's awesome. Well, look at that.
Do you guys think the little truck was gonna do it?
No, I figured you knew what you were doing.
Train slip, but I lost a lot of fluid.
Oh man. Well, at least it's hard packed. You just turn around and stay on the low side. Leave your hazards on. You can get there to the ramp, and then, you know, whatever you want to do from there is best.
You got a
Cool
thing?
down. Yeah, absolutely.
Here. Can I turn around before you leave? Here.
Yeah, no, I'm following you out. Don't worry.
Oh, you're gonna.
Yeah, no, I'm going to the ramp with you. I'm just taking it that way. I don't gotta stop you and haggle you at the ramp. You can just go, or hang and cool off, whatever your game plan is.
All right.
Awesome. Sent. All right, I'll get out of your way and I'll follow you to the ramp. Okay?
Thanks.
Of course. Yes. Ugh. I gotta get the go camera. I'm trying to get out of his way. Let him turn around and then I'll turn around. You still got plenty of room. You can come forward. That's good. You got plenty of room to swing the turn. Come hard my way.
Can I go all the way?
Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you'll be fine to swing just like this. And just throw your hazards on. Yep. Just stay on the low side. I'll be right behind you. Yeah, you can smell it.
Did you guys see the Japanese man aboard?
Nowhere. Oh my gosh, yeah. Do you smell that? You can smell his transmission.
Look
Look at that.
Pretty crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Once a year, we get
Yeah.
a lot of
Oh yeah?
jellyfish and seaweed.
Okay.
All comes up at once.
That's
Yeah.
he's pretty
Not
nuts.
not fun to play with.
No, oh,
Stay away from
not,
those guys.
Not touching him.
Hey, you guys have a good time out here.
Have a great day.
What is that?
Well, this is what happens when you don't have a proper transmission on the beach.
No bueno. That is no bueno. Look at, like, I don't even think that's not the fluid. That's just like the reaction.
The green, yeah. I think
That's-
the actual.
Yeah, the red. Yeah, and then you can see how it's like having an effect.
Yeah.
We need to keep fluids off the beach. Obviously, however, it was not intentional and it's not necessarily their fault, but, you know, we got to be careful what we bring out here. We're going to go to the ramp and make sure that they make it all the way out and get on their way. But, peace.
Like and subscribe to Santo, they're the best.
Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe to Santo.